If you are watching this video, you might be having a 3D printer or you are just amazed with the technology behind these. For an engineer like me, this feels like giving wings to your imagination. You can think, design and put your 3D printer to work to let your imagination get shape. But there are times when you run out of ideas or you just want to amaze your cousin with something unique. 3D printing photograph is one of those examples. This is called lithophane. The image is generated by varying the thickness of darker and lighter areas of a picture. Let's start by making one. First, go to the website named lithophanemaker.com. Link will be provided in the description. There are so many designs, but today for the purpose of this video we are going to stick to flat lithophane. First of all, we are gonna choose a file. You have to adjust the picture to required size. I am going to make it a keychain, so I am selecting a keychain with a hole on the top right. Next, you have to crop the image if you wish to. I am going to adjust the picture to the right size so that I have an idea of what I am looking for. You have to adjust the dimension as per your need. As you see, I am adjusting the size of the picture so that it fits to the printable area. We have to select the depth of the border, or we can say frame. I have selected it to 2.5 mm. The thickness of lithophane is selected 3 mm. That's good. So I'm gonna change the thickness of frame to 3 mm itself so that it looks uniform. That's all for now. The hole will be right here in the corner. You have to select the email ID to register with. Go with create STL file. Now I recommend to rename this file so that if you have a bunch of files already downloaded, you can distinguish this one. After downloading, you have to extract this. In the extracted folder, you will see two files. One is the txt file. It contains all the settings that you selected while creating the lithophane file. We are not gonna use this. The only file we are gonna use this time is the STL file. Next, we have to open this file in Slicer. I am using Cura Slicer. We have to adjust the layer height. I am selecting 1.7 mm. This is the best which works with my printer. The wall thickness should be maximum, so everything which is printed should be in walls. So I have set the wall thickness to 5 mm. Our lithophane is going to be 3 mm, so infill density should be 100%. It doesn't matter as we already selected parameters so high. Print temperature, you have to be careful about it. If the material is too hot, it will not create overhang. Skirt, the flow in skirt should be maximum so that it has maximum adhesion to the bed. Only this portion of the picture is sticking to the bed. There are chances of the print to get unstick when nozzle reaches the topmost area. Set the print speed to minimum so that maximum quality can be obtained. I am changing my retraction because I have a direct extruder installed on my ANET ET4. You don't need to change it. Print cooling should be set to maximum. As you can see, the picture has a lot of overhangs. The material should be cooled as soon as it leaves the nozzle. The direction of flow should be on the face side, not the back side of the picture. These red areas are overhangs. If these are not cooled down quickly, the image will not be in good quality. Airflow direction in my ANET ET4 is from right to left, so I am adjusting the picture to face right side so the air will be directly hitting to the printable side, not the back side. We don't need supports for Litophanes, so we are gonna uncheck this. That's all for now. Hit slides and put your printer to work. Want a 3D printed lithophane for yourself but don't have a 3D printer? You can just order one by going to our Instagram page. Link will be provided in the description.